Good evening, everybody. This is John Seville with your executive summary for stock setups for Wednesday. All right, let's have a quick look. The S&P 500 is still obviously consolidating sideways. The overseas markets are kind of up a little bit. We've got a 10-point at current prices, 10-point increase on the S&P futures, but we've seen obviously that not matter a lot when it comes to what the market does. So we're still kind of in a neutral situation until we see a break either way. That's one thing to look at. Of course, tomorrow we continue the battle between the bulls and the bears. In terms of some of the notable mentions, we'll review a few stocks here. MLM was one of the stocks that we've been looking at here for a breakdown. That's continued to act bearishly. You can see this is as it comes up on the screen, a head and shoulders pattern. That's if it breaks 145, we should have a nice breakdown to 120. So that's a possible trade we're looking at for just an entry below. Excuse me. Below that 144.93 level, looking at the 135 March puts. Now, we've also got PKG, which reported after market on Tuesday, and that has missed all earnings expectations and so forth. So we should see hopefully a good breakdown in this as trading commences. We've got obviously holding puts in this from one we've been following for a while, so that should be hopefully quite exciting, and would like to see that continue to break down. PII reported this morning, and they topped estimates, so we'll see what happens in the stock. We had a fairly bearish break with strong volume during trading hours on Tuesday, so we'll see what the market thinks of the earnings, and obviously hold puts in that as well. Hog performed extremely well. This one. Let's have a couple on the screen. This one gapped down and continued down beautifully. This is one we own $50 puts and $40 puts in, and which are up very significantly now. So that's going to be exciting. One we've been following obviously back since August, and big break there. So we'll see. You can see the bit of a bounce in the candle here, but I don't expect too much from Hog in terms of the bullish action. This is it closed in the bottom half of the range on strong volume, money flow, of course, right off the charts to the downside. UEPS. Just coming up on the screen here. That kind of bounced down to the 9-day like we had hoped, so we may see that flag formation carry out. We'll be watching that one. And last but not least, STX. Talked about that in trading room last night. Talked about this being at an area where we would consider taking profits, as that's down significantly, very close to our original target. So I think as that comes up on the screen here, you'll see it. There you go. So right down to that $38 level. So we consider taking profits here. It could have a dead cat bounce, but there's probably better opportunities now to look at. So that's kind of the summary for today. It should be some very exciting action as soon as we get a significant break of this open range. It's going to allow for a lot more exciting movement. So for that, have a great day of trading, and we'll see you all shortly. Take care.